Sugar activates the same brain circuits as cocaine. Eat a spoonful of sugar and within seconds, your brain releases a flood of dopamine, the same chemical surge triggered by nicotine, alcohol, and cocaine. You do not decide to crave sugar. Your brain is wired to demand it, and the food industry knows exactly how to exploit that wiring. This is not about willpower. It is about chemistry. When sugar hits your tongue, taste receptors send a signal straight to the nucleus accumbens, your brain's pleasure center. Dopamine floods the area. Brain scans show this response is nearly identical to what happens with addictive drugs. But here is the critical difference. With natural foods like fruit, the fiber slows absorption and the dopamine response is moderate. Refined sugar bypasses that break entirely. It hits the bloodstream in minutes, and the dopamine spike is 2 to 3 times higher than from whole foods. Your brain interprets this as an extraordinary reward. Just like any drug, your brain adapts. After repeated sugar consumption, dopamine receptors start to downregulate. You need more sugar to feel the same pleasure. This is tolerance, and it creates a vicious cycle. A study at Connecticut College found that Oreo cookies activated more neurons in the nucleus accumbens of lab rats than cocaine did. When researchers at the University of Bordeaux gave rats a choice between cocaine and sugar water, 94% chose sugar. Not because sugar is more dangerous, but because the reward signal is that powerful. The average American consumes 73 grams of added sugar per day. That is 17 teaspoons. The World Health Organization recommends no more than 25 grams. But avoiding sugar is harder than you think. It hides in 74% of packaged foods under 61 different names. Dextrose, maltodextrin, barley malt, rice syrup. A single serving of flavored yogurt can contain 19 grams. A bottle of sports drink, 34 grams. Even bread, ketchup, and salad dressing contain added sugar. The industry calls this the bliss point, the exact sugar concentration that maximizes craving. Your brain is not broken. It is running 2-million-year-old software. In nature, sugar was scarce and always came packaged with fiber, water, and nutrients. Ripe fruit meant calories, and calories meant survival. The brain evolved to treat sugar as a priority signal. Find it, eat it, remember where it was. That programming was perfect for the savannah. But in a world where sugar is in everything, the survival instinct becomes a trap. You are fighting evolution with every decision to skip dessert. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to Curious Science. Next time, we are exploring: why is space silent?